So Briggs and Forrester have done some online training on the commercial heating units, and they're going to top it all off by doing some in-house training actually with the unit behind me to get to know how it really works, and gives an opportunity to ask us lots of questions to top up what they've been doing on the online training. So the online training we've got has got a mix of components where we're watching videos, some of it's actually VR content, and some of it's just helpful little handout takeaway items so they can use it when they get to site. The other advantage it has with doing the bespoke training is I can tailor it to suit their specific needs. It's their questions, their problems that they're getting on site, and how we can help them deal with those solutions.
I wanted to come to the training because I think now, in this day and age, especially at my age, I've seen the transition now from what things used to be to what things could be. And I think the Mitsubishi are the way to go. It's given me a good insight to see that what is available out there now.
The biggest benefit has been understanding how Mitsubishi Electric can help us through not just the design, but the install and the commissioning period. We want to try and bridge the gap between the architects, the consultants and the M&E installers to ensure that we have a successful delivery.
So from today I've learned a better understanding of the technicalities and the practicalities around the products that Mitsubishi provide. I can go back to my business and communicate that to the wider team to spread awareness, and also from a personal perspective that I have a better understanding about the product, so on site it will be a lot more efficient and run more smoothly.
We've included a QR code at the end of this video, so if you were interested in the training, please do click on this and find out some more information.